So this is my web page which I have created. It does use a responsive design. So here are some pseudo selectors which I've used. So you can see the colors changing as I hover over them. And this is using an Ahref, so when you click it, it does bring you to a particular website. At the same time, this also has another side of it, so the web projects which I've created in the past. So when you hover over them, they change the opacity, so that's CSS being used, and at the same time it also brings the position a bit down with the box shadow, so you can slowly see it dimming as well as the opacity, and when you click it fully, it becomes active instead of hover. So again, that's the CSS pseudo selectors being used. In contact, again, you have a full responsive form. So again, when you click it, you can see it hovering, and then when you click it all the way down, you see it becomes active. So that is being used correctly. And then the about. In the about, for now, you'll just see this. So here's the page for the full about when it's actually completed. And again, the contact me, same thing. Then you have the projects, which again, you can see it being responsive. So the hamburger menu has disappeared from before. So that was using Bootstrap, again, to emphasize that point. Let's go back to the actual thing. So in the styles, there's a few things which need to be talked about. First and foremost, you can see a nested styles as part of the SCSS. So this was converted into CSS afterwards, as you can see, styles.css. You also have the about, the SCSS. So you have the media query, again, for making that text disappear in the about, which we've seen before. We also have the extend, so it's being extended from the p tag over here. Again, you can also see the variable font normal, so it's basically changing the font size based on the variable. I was planning on doing a lot more with the variables, but in the end I just used disappear just to make a bit of text disappear because of it being already quite responsive. Let's just go to contact.css, so you can see the ID being used, get in touch, and then you have the classes, then you have a few tags, then you also have field set, inside field set the P, and then also the label as well, so doing to, and then you have direct descendant to li, so the input, and again you also have the child, so parent.form, small boxes, and then the child, so selecting like that is also being done. And then you have the pseudo selectors, so again, button hover, button active, and how it's being used. And I believe that covers a lot of what I was going to say. Then you see all the projects which I've done. So these were additional Bootstrap projects I've done in the past. Just thought I'd include it because it's part of my official website, so that does use Bootstrap as well. So you can see all of this available, and this is the readme.md. So I believe that covers everything. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.